So we've been doing two-step equations for a while now. We're now going to step it up to 3- and 4-step equations by combining like terms in 12.3. So you got to remember how to combine like terms, all right? These aren't equations. You're not going to be able to answer them or solve them, but you are going to be able to simplify them, right? You can make things simpler by combining like terms. That means, right, combining is a math word for adding and subtracting. So 7x plus x is 8x minus 9, and that's as simple as you can make that because you only combine like terms, the same kind. 9x gets combined with 3x, makes 12x. 8 minus 2 is 6, 12x plus 6. Negative 2x plus 8x is 6x. Negative 6 plus 9 is positive 3. That's 6. Since it's positive 3, it becomes 6x plus 3. Here we have 5x minus 7x, which is negative 2x. Negative 1, right, because that goes with that. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. Negative 2x plus 3. So now you're going to have to combine like terms to make our equations down into a two-step equation. So we're going to see that. So I see like terms. So let's combine them. 2x plus 5x is 7x. Positive 6 minus 5 is 5. And that equals 19. You've simplified this equation. We'll solve it starting, I believe, on the next screen. But that's a two-step equation, right? You know how to solve a two-step equation. So we're combining like terms, and we're trying to get it down into a two-step equation. Same thing here. So 29 is there, but 4x minus x is 3x. 1 plus 10 is 11. Two-step equation. We combined like terms. Next, negative 3x plus 2x is negative x. Right? You could write negative 1x, but it's an answer, so we're going to, at least for this screen, it's an answer. So we're going to put negative x. Negative 7 plus 9 is plus 2 is less than 5. And we know how to solve that. That's right. The coefficient of x there is negative 1. Okay, so let's start solving. 9x plus x is 10x. 5 minus 2 is positive 3. We've got a two-step equation. You just go. 10x is greater than or equal to 20. Divide both sides by 10. X is greater than or equal to 2. 5x plus 2x is 6x. Negative 3 plus 5 is positive 2. There's our two-step. We always add or subtract first. We always multiply or divide second. 3 equals x. So we have like terms. Negative 4x minus x is the same as negative 4x plus negative x. Negative 5x. 5 minus 2 is positive 3. Subtract 3 from both sides. Negative 5x equals 25. Divide both sides by negative 5. X equals negative 5. 5x minus 8x equals negative 3x. Negative 3 minus 7, same as negative 3 plus negative 7, negative 10. Add 10 to both sides. 60 equals negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 60 divided by 3 is 20. This is negative 20 equals x. So here, we're going to clear the fractions. So 3 and 2 can be cleared by multiplying by 6. 3 goes into 6 twice, and that becomes 2x. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and that becomes 3x. Equals 6 times 10, 60. This becomes a one-step equation once you combine the like terms. 5x equals 60. Divide both sides by 5, and x equaled 12. Yeah, this is 1/3 times blank plus 1/2 times blank equals 10. And the only number that can go there is 12. Let's check our work. 3 goes into 12. It makes 4. 1/2 goes in there. Yeah, look, that makes 4. That makes 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. That is 12 was the only number that makes that equation true. Find the perimeter. So you have to add up the sides. So it's x. You can do it in any order. Plus x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1. that has to all add up to 30. So x plus 2x is 4x. Right? 3 minus 1 is positive 2. 4x plus 2 equals, 3 minus 1, I did it right, 30. Subtract 2 from both sides. 4x equals 28. Divide by 4, and x equals 7. Right, what does that mean? It means this side over here was 7. This side was 10. And this side was 2 times 7, 14 minus 1 is 13. And those three numbers better add up to 30. Find x if the total cost of 1 pen, 2 pencils, and 4 erasers was $6. So 1 pen costs 3x. 2 pencils apparently cost, well, 1 costs x, and then we have 2 of them. So we have 2x there. Now let's understand the prices here. We don't know the price of the pencil, it's x, but we know the pen is 3x. That means the pen is 3 times the cost of the pencil. That's what that price chart is saying. And we also got to have 4 erasers, and the erasers are 50 cents each. So I'm going to do 4 times 0.5. And we know this all added up to $6 once we did all the addition. So we have 3x plus 2x, right? That's 5x. And 50 cents times 4 is $2, right? So it's 5x plus 2 equals 6. Subtract 2 from both sides. 5x equals 4. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 4/5. Perfectly good answer normally, but these are prices, right? And x is the cost of this pencil. So we're going to find the cost of this pencil. We want to make it money, right? So money is over hundredths. And so hopefully you look at that and it's 80 hundredths. So the cost of this pencil is 80 cents. And then you could do the pen, which is 3 times 80 cents, which I believe is $2.40. 3 times 8 is 24. So similarly, we're not just getting answers, we're manipulating equations to see equivalencies. So for the first time here, I had something to combine on that side. They both have the 11 though, so that didn't get us the answer. Negative 7x plus 2x is negative 5x. No, they both have that. 5 minus 9 is negative 4, so that's minus 4, so it's B that has the same answer. So let's practice. So on the one on the left here, we got negative 8x plus 5x, so we have 13. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3, so it's negative 3x. 9 minus 8 is 1. There's our 2 steps. Subtract 1 from both sides. 12 equals negative 3x. Divide both sides by negative 3. Negative 4 equals x. Here we got to cancel 4 and 5. So what would cancel that? 20 does. The least common multiple of 4 and 5, right? 5 is not in the 4 times table, neither is 10 or 15. The lowest number that's on both times table is 20. So we're multiplying everything by 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times this 3 makes 15. 5 cancels this 20, makes 4 minus 4. So we have 15 minus, well, I'll add that together in a second. 4 cancels this 20, makes 5, and that's 5x. 5 cancels this 20, and makes 4 minus 4x. So 15 minus 4 is 11. 5x minus 4x is x. We're done. All right, find the perimeter. So we can do it in any order. 2x minus 1 plus x plus 9 equals 40. Add those all up, and we can work backwards to figure out what x is. 2x plus x is 4x. Negative 1 plus 9 is positive 8. There's our 2 steps. Subtract 8 from both sides. 4x equals 32. Divide by 4. X equals 8. That's a sloppy x. And so that means this side was 8. This side was 17. And this side was 2 times 8 minus 1, 15. And those three numbers better add up to 40. Find x if the total cost of 2 pens, 2 pencils, and 5 erasers was $8.50. So 2 pens. A pen is 3x, so it's 2 times 3x. A pencil is x, so it's 2 times x. You could just do the 6x and the 2x in your head and make this 8x. That's fine. Show one of the top 2 lines, though. and then plus 5 times 50 cents. And that's all got to equal $8.50. So now 5 times 50 cents, right? 25, move the decimal once, is $2.50. So this is 2.5 equals 8.5. We subtract 2.5 from both sides, and lo and behold, the decimal nicely goes away. And we get 6. Divide both sides by 8. We get 6/8. You're never going to leave 6/8 as an answer. Normally, 3/4 is fine, but this is the price of a pencil. We want to make 3/4 into money. Money is in hundreds. So the cost of the pencil is 75 cents, 3/4 of a dollar. And the pen is 3 times 75 cents. Let's just, I say 75 cents. And then the pen would be, I didn't ask you this, but the 3 times 5 is 15, 22, move the decimal to the right. The pen here is 3 times it, $2.25. Good luck on the homework.